Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in a daily newspaper on a Wednesday December the 18th, we have three Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But we will start with the binary Sudoku first. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a double O. So here one, there one, a double O, here one, there one, here double O, here one, there one, a double O, here one, there one, here double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. And double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. Double O, here and one, there one. Double O, here and one, there one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Then between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. We have here a double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Then double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two O's comes an one. Then double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 4 ones. If I put the one here, the fifth, and the last one, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an 1. This must be an O. So we have double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5, fifth, and the last one in the column. double O, here one, then one, double one, here O, then O, double one, here O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in a row. So the